I have very little memory of India. Most of my memories are our time spent in the orphanage.
My memories from India, the sound of my dad screaming, hitting my mum.
Yeah, we do suspect our birth dad had something to do with our mother's passing. Yeah.
Priti and her younger brother Prashant were born in India, adopted by Italian immigrants and raised in Australia. But the circumstances leading to their adoption have always been a deeply troubling mystery. Now, Priti and Prashant are hoping to find out once and for all the truth about their biological parents and the incident that left them abandoned in an orphanage. Hello.
Hi, hello.
Priti.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm Noni.
Hi, Noni.
Hello.
Hi, Prashant.
Nice to meet you, Prashant.
Please come in.
Thank you. So let's start at the beginning. What are your memories of India, of your home and your family?
My memories are very vague, but I do remember my birth mum passing away and my grandmother coming to get my brother and I. No one could take care of us and no one wanted to take the responsibility of two young kids. So she decided to take us to an orphanage.
You don't remember the house where you lived?
I do remember the sound of a train, so like train tracks behind our house. A lot of my memories, I'm not sure if they're real or if they're dreams, like things that, things that I've made up as time went on.
Okay. So how old were you when your mum passed away?
So I probably would have been about around two.
Yeah, so I would have been maybe 4. Again, I don't remember the exact ages.
No. Do you have any idea what might have happened to her?
So I remember like being with my birth mum and my birth father, and I do remember like a lot of yelling and shouting and fighting, and I think he did something to her because I've always had this suspicion that he was responsible for her death because he was so abusive.
If he did have something to do with it or murder her,
Yeah.
he might not have been held accountable.
No.
Yeah.
So you have no knowledge of your dad, what happened to him? Or...
No.